Hi everyone. Hi guys. Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IC Market Filipinas. Should we just wait for 1 to 2 minutes? Alright, for everyone to tune in. I will start the section shortly. Okay. Let me look at the calendar. So actually, basically, this topic is supposed to like do on like next week 24th, which is Christmas Eve. Okay, I think I kind of like put the topic slightly early, but it's okay. We will prepare for like year 2025. Okay, so basically you will see me today Tuesday, right, and next week, which is on Christmas Eve, and after that you'll see me again like next year 2025. Okay, how you guys doing so far? Hi Ajay, nice to see you here. Thanks for supporting. Like every time we do that webinar, I will see you here. Okay, how are you doing so far? Basically today we will like kind of like chit chat. Okay, just talking about what should we prepare for 2025. Okay, maybe I'll share with you guys and you can share with me as well. Okay, I will start at like 1 to 2 minutes later. Just wait for everyone to tune in. Need some refresh. I cannot see you here. Okay, sorry guys, can you hear me now? I think I mute myself. Okay, where should I start? where should I start since you guys cannot hear me? Where should I start, guys? Sorry, I think I mute just now. Okay, okay, so just now I read go back again. Shall we start with the disclaimer? Okay, disclaimer, this I mute just now. I think the disclaimer you already see here. Okay, so basically I start with disclaimer first. Anything in this video is educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. Alright, and IC markets makes no representation and assume no liability add to the accuracy or completeness of the information provided, nor any loss arising from any investment based on recommendation, forecast, or other information supplied by IC markets. And risk warning over here: trading forex and CFD carries a high level of risk to your capital, and you should only trade with the money you can afford to lose. Okay, trading forex and CFD may not be suitable for all investors, so please ensure that you are fully understand the risk involved and seek independent advice if necessary. Okay, please read and ensure you fully understand our risk disclosure. Okay, nice to see you, Charles. Right, and the agenda for today, what we're going to look out for: the key trend, bullish and bearish trend, and technical level to watch out for 2025. Okay, and introduce myself. My name is Peggy. I'm investment analyst and a prop trader. You should already know me by now. Okay, there's a message coming. Can you look at EURUSD? Sure. Okay, so basically if you follow the Fed, right, I think last week, right, they have an announcement that Fed going to cut the rate in 2025. So you can see that dollar remains strong with expectation. Now that's why just now I bring you guys to look at the dollar index here, which is at the yearly time frame. Okay, if you to see here on in 2025, okay, what I could see here, I'll just put here, or you can put at the week, which is the high, but I will put here. If you were to use the other indicator, okay, what you could see, we can use a projection, or you can use the EURUSD is falling, right, because there you can see dollar is strong, it's rising so strong. That's why EU, GU, and gold is falling. If you were to look at the put the watermark here. Okay, I'm using the dollar. You can see dollar very strong. Okay, on January 3rd, 2022, this is the highest. Then you can see the this is the highest one. This is the highest, which is at 114.57 for the dollar. Okay, and then you can see, and then it's falling. And now if you were to look at the yearly time frame here, they create the supply, sorry, demand. Okay, so basically if price rise or falling up here, you're gonna buy up. Okay, so this is the zone. If you want to buy, is around that price. I will include this one next year. Do you think that it will fall to this zone, 101.04, around that? Okay, if you want to just maybe count the elite wave like the easy one, okay, that will be something like that. I will make it bigger. So remember that wave 2, This one they retrace almost like 50%. It's gonna, I will count at wave 2 here. Wave 3 haven't finished. To me, wave 3 go where? At least how many? We use the extension. You can see first they cannot go above extension, right? 161.8%. We could go here, okay, because wave 3 cannot shorter than wave 1 and wave 5. And let's say you want to project, this is going to be over wave 3. Okay, you will see the pullback, right? See the pullback. If you want to count, you just hang on. I think wave 4 is gonna be somewhere around here and then continue. So basically I remove here, or maybe here. So basically wave 4 is going to be small pullback where 20.6% or 38.2 or 50%. At least they cannot overlap wave 1. So these are forecast in 2025. You want to look at the yearly candle. Okay, you can go weekly as well. You can see that so strong. If you were to look at the chart, I remove here. What do you think about the weekly time frame? This is our weekly time frame. You can see the price was just ranging. This is the ranging, right? You can see that it's just within the risk box here, right? You can see that it's just ranging. You think that price will rise? I think so. Based on the weekly, okay. You can see that price go almost hit extension 1.2072 here, or another extension. So, and because of the Fed, they announced that they're going to cut the rate on 2025. That's why dollar is strong right here. And you just purely based on technical analysis here, what do you think? This is the support level. That's why price rising, pull back and continue to go higher. Okay, this is the one for the weekly. What other indicator you should looking for dollar index based on? You could use the RSI as well. But the key thing is that in 2025, if you never ever look for fundamental, you should start looking. Okay, even though you are say that you are more on technical analysis, but fundamental you shouldn't ignore. You can see that weekly, somehow the weekly time frame, okay, you see that the weekly they are ending with bearish engulf here, and then you might think that of course the dollar weekly is might fall or will continue. Based on technical analysis from weekly, if you will see the pullback and then continue to go higher. Okay, this is the weekly. Okay, because of the bearish engulf here, and you can almost above your reaching your extension here. Go to daily time frame. What do you think about the daily time frame? Based on daily time frame for the dollar here. Okay, this is the support, and this is the resistance on weekly. We can use the extension here. If price break above this swing high here, it could make like this. They are pulled back at 23%, right? They cannot close below. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the next level for the dollar based on the I will just go back to the monthly again. Okay, you take note of this zone first. Okay, for the yearly, if you come back here, because there's already created a demand zone like I just mentioned. Okay, let me go back here again, the daily time frame. You look at the RSI here. Okay, the high here. If you want to sell dollar, okay, you don't sell now. Okay, it might go all the way up. If they cannot pass above 108.06 here, it might create the M pattern based on daily time frame, or they can go slightly higher to create a bearish divergence versus the RSI, and then you short just for the short term. Okay, because for 2025 yearly time frame, okay, dollar is still on the bullish side. Okay, it's here. Okay, if you to look at the yearly, or even you go to like monthly time frame, you look at the monthly time frame. What do you see here? Resistance, break above, pull back. Now it become your support level here. Okay, for the monthly time frame, this is the zone you also can buy if the dollar falling to this zone, because what is this? Our bullish of the block, right? And it's still the fresh zone. Price haven't falling to this block and then rising, so you mark out this zone for the monthly time frame bullish of the block. If you go to daily, it will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. Look like you can see they will come here. Price haven't come to hit this zone. Okay, so you will see the pullback. Okay, either they make higher high to create the bearish divergence here versus the RSI, or they cannot pass above this swing high, which is at this one, and then they create kind of like the M pattern. If they create the M pattern, this is if they pass to this overlap support for the daily. If they pass through from the support, it becomes your resistance, meaning that pull back, you sell, right? You say you will target here. From here we're gonna buy up from the bullet of the block. Okay, that is for monthly time frame. Okay, for the dollar, it still remains strong. And another one, if you look at the central bank, for the European Central Bank, you will know that EU have been struggling and nearing a year low at 1.0342. Okay, where I get this one from? You look at the EURUSD, you can see that EURUSD is falling. Okay, because dollar is strong, the EURUSD is, you can see the weaken, euro is weaken, right? Look at the yearly, where is the lower point of the yearly candle, which is at this one. This is the lower point. This is the lower point of it. It's like 1 point, it just estimates here. Okay, 1.0334. So this is the lowest one. And what you could see here, based on weekly yearly candle, what do you think that based on market structures, you will see that they make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. If they pass below this swing low here, or they might go up here and continue to go lower. Why is this one? Because this is their supply zone for yearly candle. No, it's not on the block, it's just a yeah, meaning that price could go to this supply and then falling, continue to go lower, at least where, at least here at the body, or at least here at the other block. This is a yearly. Where is my other block? Here or here. Okay, now somebody asked me for EURUSD. if it's still falling. Okay, I will go to monthly first. You could look at the monthly time frame. What do you think? Monthly time frame, if you are swing, we just keep selling EURUSD, right? Because you want to see first monthly time frame closing here with bearish engulfing. Second month also bearish. This one also the red. So if price break below this swing low, is the lowest one, right? This is the one for year 2020. This year the low point. Price could all the way flow to go to this bullish at the block. You mark out this still flat zone. Okay, now we can go to the daily. We want to sell. So if you want to look at the daily candle, what do you think? Price is just ranging here, or maybe like triangle, something like, to me just ranging, but they cannot pass above the the resistance on the daily, right? This is your resistance level on the daily time frame. Okay, so they are just follow the higher time frame, which is you look at the yearly, we know that it's a bearish trend. Okay, and even like monthly time frame, price or any bad like a red candle. Okay, weekly you can like just slightly see the pullback to the resistance level here, right? And then you can see that this is your price action for weekly time frame, and then you can sell EU and keep selling the EU. Of course, if you want to sell, you sell the resistance, or you wait for price to pull back a little bit, right? You can see that they are pull back to where our overlap resistance level, and now continue to fall. If you look at head 4 time frame, you will get the sell entry at where, at this level here. This is the sell entry. If you just put exact at the body and then you put the pending order, you might miss by a few pips. That's why we need to highlight the wick. Okay, I highlighted from where? From this one, the wick and the body. Okay, and then you will get like the trigger sell entry at this level. Okay, we could combine with size, like now we cannot see the size here. Okay, but this is a sell. It look like, right, falling, continue to make a lower low high. Price cannot close above, you keep selling here, follow the higher time frame. Okay, this is the level for the EU. Do you think where to fall? At least I will put here for the support level for daily time frame. Okay, and let's say price falling here. It's just a nature of graph, right? When even though on like for swing you keep selling, okay, you will know that you will keep selling based on market structures, and then Fed also want to cut the rate in 2025. That's why dollar remain stronger. Okay, here on the lower time frame you will see price will make a bullish, where we'll keep like this. Okay, we'll go up to where, to find the resistance on the higher time frame, which is the daily, right? The daily, and then continue to where, continue to go bearish, follow the higher time frame. You get what I mean? Okay, you look at the lower time frame as well. This is the M or maybe H1. Look at H1 time frame. What do you think about H1 time frame here? Okay, look here. What do you think? You were to look at market structures here, bearish. These are bearish. Okay, but then you say, okay, it seems like in H1 time frame price is bearish. Now they break above this high, it become bullish. So what I'm going to do? So I'm going to buy or I'm going to sell? Of course, price make a bearish. Now they go bullish here to reach where this is the resistance level on the head 4 time frame. So you need to sell. Okay, you need to sell. You get what I mean here? So it is a key level. You cannot look at the week yearly. You look at monthly time frame. You look at monthly time frame here. What do you see? You can see this, right? Make a lower high. If the monthly time frame want to change, they need to what? They need to break above where? They need to break above this high, right? They need to break above this high, right? Now they still make a lower high, so still bearish. Okay, up to this point, we're going to buy EU if price go all the way to this bullish order block on where yearly. Okay, this is a bullish order block here. I will just put here for bullish order block yearly candle. I just put yearly. Okay, here, maybe here you could buy. It will take time, right? But one is come, you will buy from this zone, so you just mark out. But currently for the EU, it's just in the smaller time frame you can sell. Okay, you can just keep selling, but of course up to this point for the daily candle here, if price cannot go above this body of the candle, this price, if you see the rejection, you should buy. And then the next sell zone for daily candle, this is the sell zone that's I'm looking for. Okay, meaning that this kind of sideways, you can sell like now, right? Just now for the EU, you sell here type TP1, or this could be TP2 at the wick swing low support. If you see the confirmation, I will buy. If pass above, pull back, keep buying TP, and then I'm gonna sell. Why I pick at this level? This used to be the resistance, this used to be the support, break below because of this candle. They create the supply zone, right? This is the supply. You can see that drop, base drop. So price, this one still fresh. You mark out this one. If I come to this zone, you sell this zone. So the strategy is that if price approaching your zone, you should wait for confirmation. What is your confirmation? Divergence, price action, chart pattern, rejection, and then you sell based on daily time frame. Okay, so price come here, you sell, you could be here or could be at the support level here, this first support. Okay, this the view for the EU. So this resistance on H4 time frame, second resistance on the okay. Let's just pick it here. Second resistance. Okay, so sell, see the rejection, we buy up. Of course, price need to break above first resistance. If you see the pullback from the resistance, it becomes support, you buy. Pullback, you buy. Okay, you TP here, it break above, pullback from the resistance, it become the support. Then you target here and this zone up. From here, I'm gonna sell and then I'm gonna hold. Okay. This is the level. If break above resistance, we know that it become your support. Break below, pull back, it become your resistance. Okay, and if to look at the Bank of Japan, yen is weakening, right? Because we know that I think the rate expecting to hike delay until January. So if you to look at USD JPY, oh, fall to the zone. Okay, you compare with US rising. You can see that US dollar is rising, right? Yen is so weakening, so anyone sell from this zone. This is a resistance level. Okay, you were to sell yen just now, you see the price is falling. Look at the monthly time frame. Yearly, sorry, not monthly. What do you think about the USD JPY here? What we can use? We could use the extension, right? What you could see here, target extension here for the resistance level for the yearly time frame. Maybe I just count the basic count for elite wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 4 cannot overlap wave 1, so maybe somewhere around here continue to rise. Okay, because yen is weakening, right? Yen is weak and dollar is so strong. That's why USD JPY is rising. Now you just see smaller pullback because this is a resistance level on the lower time frame, right? We can go and have a look. Okay. Monthly. When you look at monthly time frame here, you should look at monthly time frame. This one could be A, B, C, right? You can see that A, B, C. Then this is a wave 2 somewhere around here. Wave 3, there would be 1, 2, maybe 3, or maybe like 1, 2, 3. Oh, A, B, C here. Up to you. I will focus here. Okay, for the monthly, and I think they also have the another Fibonacci. You see that? So you mark out this zone. We're gonna sell. Okay, this is a monthly time frame. So basically you see the monthly time frame why price is falling from this zone, because they has, of course, they have the other block here or the block here. Okay, some of the trader, they will draw from the wick. If you work from the wick here, you will get the sell at this one, but I draw bearish of the block at the body, and then above is the wick, maybe this wick, meaning that you might see price rising here and then might fall into this zone and then go up. Why? This is our value of the block or value in gap. Because of this one, price will come here. Okay, fill the remaining unmatching order. On the monthly time frame, they also create the demand here. Okay, this zone, so they will come here and then continue to go up. At least the target here for our wave 3. Okay, and then we have the extension for the monthly time frame. What about the weekly? You look at the weekly time frame, right? And this zone, you can see that somehow like the support level. You can see that they are pulled back here, continue to rise. Okay, for the target here for the next year. You will see here, because they will just mention that the yen will remain strong, weakening until like January. Okay, so you may see the pullback and then dollar strong until here, yen keep falling, right? What about the daily time frame? On the lower time frame, of course, you will see the, what do you see? What do you think about this one? If you just want to like count like the wave, like the easy one, right? 1, 2, sorry, wave 1, wave 2, maybe wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, right? Because you look here for the daily time frame, of course you will see price will pull back where 38.2%, I believe. right? You can see somewhere around 38.2%, and on the daily time frame here, this is the support level. You can see that based on this one, it's support level. Okay, and then daily time frame also give you the price action at this level, right, which is the wave 2. You can see the pullback. You can see your price action here. Okay, we will target where, if you are day trade, of course you buy. Okay, if you from here, you might see the pullback where go to H4. You think they will pull back where? To pull back to in the wave 2, a smaller wave. If I just want to count, like, you know, the simple 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? And that will be the wave 1 here. You will see the pullback to maybe 38.2 or 50%, or maybe at this way, at this level, somewhere around here, which is slightly close with our Fibonacci level here, meaning that they will come to this one and continue to go up here. Okay, this is on the lower time frame. That's why you will see that USD JPY is falling. Okay, but they're gonna be the wave 1, wave 2, or maybe here and then continue. You just maybe keep practicing the elliott wave if you want to. Okay, this is what I can see. But fall from here, because over here we will consider at the pullback support level close to 3.2%. Somehow maybe pull here or to this level. Okay, but on a higher time frame, you will see that the target which is around this price for USD JPY, here, that is the price. Okay, you guys have any question? Okay, and the fundamental that recently, because of the Donald Trump, right, you can see that geopolitical tension and trade policy re-election of US President Donald Trump is predicted to result in higher tariffs on China in imported cars, much lower immigration, some fresh tax cuts, and regulatory easing, right? You can see that after the Donald Trump become the president, you know all what he does, right? And those policies are expected to increase US inflation and impact global growth, with potential implication for currency valuation. Okay, so that's why after election you will see that what caused the market, the Donald Trump. One is what? BTC. Okay, you know that people keep buying. What do you think about it? BTC, since I'm already talking about the BTC here, you can look at the BTC. People selling gold, right, and buy BTC, right? But 2 to 3 years ago, people selling off BTC and buy gold, right? You can see that. So this is yearly rising until where? Oh, maybe it's all the way to where? Could all the way to like 110. Somewhere around here. Could we see? What's about monthly? What I could see here, okay, based on 1, 2, 3, that will be the extension already, maybe. Break above extension potential here, or maybe you can use the projection from monthly time frame. I will target here first, which is this is the first resistance for the protection. Okay, what do you think here? People, anyone buy somewhere around this like this pullback 62k? Okay, what do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will pick like projection. Okay, what about the weekly? People keep buying BTC. this is the weekly support rising. Okay, you can see that I only can use the projections to like this is the resistance level, or you might see the pullback. Okay, for the daily somewhere close to, if I want to draw extension, right? So that is somehow I can see. So now BT is like keep fly high. Okay, I don't buy or I don't sell. For if you trade like BTC with CFD, unless you buy crypto. Okay, but now price too expensive. Okay, nobody buy, but I don't know why people are buying. Unless you buy at the bottom and then you hold. Okay, so this is what I can see here. Okay, head for time frame, what do you think? Overbought. Based on technical analysis, right? If you were to sell, you will sell based on this current price now, right? And you put your stop loss above the wick. That is the one you can sell. If you want to sell BTC on CFD, if you trade, I think you can sell based on my price action. Here I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell since I'm see here. Okay, I will put my stop loss above this swing high and my sell. I'm not gonna buy at this price too expensive. If I want to sell, I will sell because I see the price action in the lower time frame, which is here. Lovely, my price action, price falling. Okay, and M5, you'll see the price is make a lower low, lower high, right? So we sell. If I were to trade like this, I will sell. You sell where? You sell of course where your TP you want to sell. First gonna be here for the CFD, right? You sell. If price can break, or here you may see a bounce. If they want to continue to go lower, okay, they cannot go above this price. Okay, in the next line, maybe here pull back, continue to go down like this. Okay, if you want to trade, but you can see M15 is very lovely price action here. Okay, M15 support is gonna be here. Anyone sell BTC? Okay, what we can sell is the resistance level. Okay, and then you can see your price action. That's the reason we sell. We're not gonna buy too expensive for the BTC, and because of Trump, right? That's why a lot of people buying a BTC as well. Okay, and what you could say, you see that gold is falling because people sell, the investor sell gold and buy BTC. Okay, and sell gold and buy dollar, right? Dollar is so strong. Okay, and what is another one? Okay, I'll finish this slide. You guys have any question on this? Okay, for the new which is released last week, you can see the economic growth projection, right? The GDP is projected to increase by 2.5% in year 2025, outperforming other developing markets. Okay, for the euro area, economy is expected to expand by 0.8%, lagging behind the US market. If you were to look at the data, I think last week the GDP is out. You already can see from where Forex Factory. Okay, so now we look here again. I'll remove everything. Okay. You look gold. Now we're talking about gold, right? There are negative correlation with dollar. Dollar is rising, gold will be falling. Okay, like I just mentioned, investor they're selling gold to buy dollar, to buy BTC, right? And I say that for the gold, to me, I still keep in a bearish momentum because price break above this swing low based on daily time frame, and I also say that they make a lower low, lower high. Even these are just a sideways, and it's kind of like continue. So to me, if price cannot break above this swing high for the daily time frame, to me, for gold is still bearish, okay, because they still make a lower high, right? And this is a high. So if gold at this candle, which is Wednesday, December 12, if price close above, which is the body, and the meaning that I think a potential for gold will be bullish, okay. But first they break below this, they break below this one, okay, they break below, now they are pull back, so you sell here, they cannot go above this price cannot close above this level 727, like just say 2720. I still look bearish for gold, okay. And then you can see that it's just ranging, right? Like here, this one go back up here for the resistance, cannot close above 2720, and now it's falling based on daily time frame. So we will sell gold based on the daily time frame, okay. And of course, if you want to sell gold, you need to wait for gold to pull slightly higher. But on the head-for time frame, what do you think? They cannot close above 2660, right? This is a resistance level. Nobody want to buy gold, they are selling gold now, okay. Maybe to the year end, gold still fall, okay. It might fall below where you want to look at monthly. Let me look at the monthly time frame, okay. Based on the monthly time frame, what do you think about gold? If I just want to look at the candle, look at the closing and opening here, you can open at the same price. So up to this point, nobody want to buy gold, they are selling to make a profit, okay. Monthly time frame, if this month is closed with bearish, the body engulf or close below this price, gold will keep falling. Wait, the price is at the body, I just estimate, which is if price close below 2630, let's just say, we will keep selling gold, okay. Here where it very lovely support for gold is here, based on the wick for the monthly time frame, is at this price. Break above, you can see very imbalance here for the monthly. Do you think that gold will fall here and then go up? Nobody know, but it might come, okay. Because we will see the lowest go from where 1006 before, in where says November 1st 2022, right? You can see this is the price somewhere here, okay. And now they break above 2075, okay. They haven't pulled back, so this is very important resistance level. I believe if you were to look at the FVG here for the monthly, they're gonna be FVG here, meaning that there's still unmatching order over here, okay. So price will fall, but I don't know when. Maybe next year, maybe mid of 2025, okay. So I'm not sure, okay. It's somewhere here for the monthly time frame. So if monthly close below 2630, selling gold, wait for pull back, and then we're gonna sell. Look at lovely weekly time frame. What do you think? You see your price action? It's here, okay. You can see lovely price action, and you see last week rejection. So we're gonna sell gold, right? We're gonna sell gold where if they close below 2630, pull back, you sell. Now go down to where here, right? Even the monthly daily, you'll see bearish engulf. Bearish divergence here. That's why you keep selling gold, right? And now selling, you can see that where is our target? Here, I'm still waiting here. Lovely, okay. If you want to like identify the key level, this is your pullback support. This is another lovely support level, or maybe we just capture somewhere around this zone. Okay, right? So they need to break. It will take time, like pull back, maybe break, pull back, break, some now sideways, go up, continue to come here. Okay, because you cannot expect to market all the way here, crash the markets. No, right? They will take time and a lower time frame to, you know, falling, pull back, you know, pulling, pull back, something like that. But this is the price that I'm looking for gold for 2025. Okay, now, okay, somebody asked me for UDCHF. Okay, let's go. You can see that, you know that why USDCHF is rising, because they are paired with the dollar, right? So dollar is rising, USDCHF is rising. Franc is bearish, right? You sell CHF to buy dollar, okay, because dollar is so strong. Okay, either you buy and then you buy. Okay, go to 12 month. What do you think? What do you think about your USDCHF here? This is the lowest one in the year of where here? January 15, right? I go to monthly. The lower point is this one. The low one, I don't have the mark. The high and the low. The low one is in January 11, 0.70615. I think you will see the pullback. You mark out this level. This is very key resistance. It's a sideways. If they can break above, pull back, you go buy up. This is the price for the yearly. Okay, now go monthly time frame. Lovely price action, right? You can see we will buy. Okay, now I have the buy entry for you. What do you think? Lovely price action. Price make the equal low now. Now what we can see, they're gonna make the same like the bill pattern. Now they already show you the chart pattern, the bill, right, or double bottom, break above, pull back, target here for the money time frame. If they can break above this level, this price, I will plot the body. Break above, you have a pull back, you buy up. Okay, why? Follow the dollar, because dollar is strong, right? So you can see that this really lovely price action, double bottom, break. If they can break above this one, pull back. Okay, pull back, you buy target here for the swing. Okay, of course over here you will see price might fall because there is a either bullish, bearish at the block here, or might go up here, falling. I don't know, but I will look like this. Okay, we just mark out this one. What about the weekly? Lovely weekly as well, right? The weekly time frame. What we can see here, the lovely is where you want to put this the resistance level. You can see that it's a very nice overlap resistance level. If price can break above, they might come here. You might come to where this is another resistance level, like here. Might pull back here and then continue, or target here for the swing up here. Of course, below that, to reach there will take time. It might, you know, falling, pull back, continue to go higher. Okay, now what about the daily time frame telling you? If price want to go to this another resistance level, they need to break above this level first, right? And what you could see on the daily time frame, one, two, maybe three here, four. I just roughly guess. Okay, 1, 2, maybe hit 3, 4, may continue to go higher, maybe 5, right? Like look like that somehow. Okay, they need to break above, pull back. So pull back wave 4, if just want to trade based on a little wave 4 cannot like overlap wave 1. If I want to count this a wave 1, then it's just kind of like project or think that this might gonna be a wave 4, or maybe slightly below here, because this is a resistance level. If they break above, pull back, right? And they're gonna break above this here, wave 3 gonna be another second resistance just now. Okay, gonna be like that. What about the H4 time frame? On the H4 time frame, you will see why price is pull back. That is a normal in the lower time frame. That will be the extension. If price break above this high, you can see that price cannot close above where extension 161.8. On the lower time frame, you will see the pullback, right? You see that? Price break above this high, cannot close above extension. You will see the pullback on the lower time frame, and then may continue to go higher to follow the higher time frame. Okay. Do you have any question? Or do you have any pair you want me to have a look for you? Any pair? So okay, just now somebody asked me for the shape, this the view. So you to ask me, you to sell here, because you sell based on extension. Here gonna be your take profit at this level, which is one price break above the high. Okay, like this one. That's gonna be your take profit here, right? You can see that I believe this one above here, you can see there is no wick. So basically a lot of pending buy order over here. Of course, the extension, we use the extension one price break above the recent high, then we project where price going to stop. Most of the time they will stop at extension 12 cent or 161.8 for the pullback. You can see that now. You can see the price falling, and then you look at your confirmation on the lower time frame M15, telling you that where I can sell here. I see where price action, I see what divergence. Okay, so this is how you can see. Okay, that's all for like the year 2025. So basically don't ignore fundamental. Okay, you look on the higher time frame and then you forecast where is the direction, whether uptrend or downtrend on the lower time frame, and then you just, if you think that gold is bearish, right, for 2025, of course in H4 on H4 or daily time frame, you wait for price to pull back at the resistance level and then you sell. Okay, but don't sell at the support level on the lower time frame as well, because the lower time frame they will bounce, right, and then to the resistance level and then you sell. Okay, these are USD shape. Did you sell here? Anyone sell over here? Okay, any pair? Last one before I end the webinars. Yes or no? Okay, then that should be all for today. Okay, I will see you again in the next webinar, which is Tuesday, and then after that gonna be after 2025. Okay, no question. Last one before I end the webinars. No, none of you. Okay, then that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time. See you guys again next Tuesday. Yen is falling so strong. Okay, see you guys again next Tuesday. Happy trading, guys. Take care and bye for now.